tiger. One tiger. Two apples. One, two. Three ducks. One, two, three. Four pencils. One, two, three, four. Five fans. One, two, three, four, five. Six turtles. One, two, three, four, five, six. Seven parrots. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Eight butterflies. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Nine strawberries. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 10. 10 rabbits. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Let's start to learn counting. Zero. Z-E-R-O. Zero. O-N-E. One. One dog. T-W-O. Two. Two parrots. One, two. T-H-R-E-E. Three. Three ducks. One, two, three. F-O-U-R. Four. Four apples. One, two, three, four. F-I-V-E. Five. Five lions. One, two, three, four, five. Six. S-I-X. Six. Six pencils. One, two, three, four, five, six. S-E-V-E-N. Seven. Seven balloons. One, two, three, four, five, six. E I G H T. Eight. Eight monkeys. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. N-I-N-E. Nine. Nine flowers. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 10. T-E-N. 10. 10 strawberries. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Hello friends, I am Lion, and I am the king of the jungle, and you can see me in the zoo. Hi, it's me, Monkey. I like bananas, but right now I am eating an apple. It's very tasty and healthy. Hi, it's me, Zebra. I'm a very pretty animal. There are black and white lines on my body, and I live in the jungle. Hello everyone, I am Panda. I am in black and white color. I can eat logs and I can eat grass Everyone likes me. Hi, it's me, Tiger. I am in brown, white, and black color. I am a very dangerous animal. I only found in jungles. Hi, it's me, elephant. I am in very big size and I live in the jungle. You can sit on my back and take a ride. Hello, it's me, a cat. Everyone knows me and I am a pet animal. You can keep me in your house. And I love to take milk. Hello, I am donkey. I can take your luggage from one corner to the other. I can be used as your helper. I eat grass. Hello, I am bear. I also live in the jungle and I eat grass. And sometimes I am dangerous. Hello, I am a kangaroo. I have a pouch in my body to pick up my baby with me. Whenever there is danger, my baby runs fast and enters into the pouch. Hi, I am a camel. And the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam loves me. And I can be slaughtered on Eid al-Azha. You can sit on my back. Hi, I am deer. And I am the very prettiest animal. I am not a dangerous animal. You can love me and I love you too. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.